How would you like to save money on your next mortgage and be able to afford more home? That's our topic. This is day one of Mark Madness. Hello and welcome to day one of Mark Madness. I'm your host, Mark J. Schmidt, and I am excited you could be here with me today. So today we're talking about how you can save money on your next mortgage and even afford more home. And it's a really easy thing to do. Not everyone thinks about it, and sometimes it's not that easy to do, but I'm here to tell you what it is. Before you buy a home, and this is way before you buy a home, you want to learn how to pay your bills on time. Now that sounds so simple. It sounds almost foolish to say pay your bills on time. But what happens when you pay your bills on time? When you pay your bills on time, your credit rating goes up. You get a nice high credit score. 2 thumbs up. And when the bank or the lender sees that you have a high credit score, they say, wow, this person pays their bills on time. They're a great risk. So we're going to give them a low interest rate. Now you see what happens is if you don't pay your bills on time, what happens is you get a higher interest rate because you are more of a risk to that lender. So someone with a great interest rate is going to be able to pay less for their home. Now, remember how I said you're going to be able to afford more home? So everyone thinks that if you have a lower interest rate, automatically you're going to be paying less for your next home, which is true. You'll not only pay less in your monthly payment, but you'll also pay less over the course of the term of the loan. So if you have a 30-year loan, you're going to pay less than if someone with a higher interest rate. Now, the cool thing is that with a lower interest rate, you also qualify for a larger mortgage. Remember, the higher the interest rate goes, the more money you have to put towards interest, which means the less money you have available for principal. And that means that you're going to qualify for less home. So if you'd like to save money and buy the home of your dreams for the amount of money you want to buy it for, make sure you're paying all your bills on time. That is going to be key to getting a good interest rate and being able to do your real estate transaction, buy that new home, and have no problems. Now listen, if you have any questions about buying or selling a home, please feel free to visit my website, www.MoveMeMark.com. But thanks so much for tuning in today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for more Mark Madness. You have a great day.